Saturday morning, and I'm at Riga Central Market, which is said to be the biggest market in Europe. We'll see about that. It is about 7:40 a.m., so I've got some of my fellow kindred spirits, my morning people here. It's not a morning person country. I looked at all these other places that maybe have breakfast this morning, and good grief. 9 a.m. openings, 10 a.m. openings. Come on, guys, are you serious here? People who want breakfast at 10 a.m., come on. Maybe, you know, when I was 22 years old, maybe I slept in real late and wanted breakfast. No, I want breakfast early, people, and it's hard to get it. So I thought, let's see what we can get over here at the market and just check this place out generally. Interesting, when you get here early too, there's still a collection of drunk people at the entrance to this place who are still out from the night before. There's a bunch of guys staggering around at the entrance. I was gonna make this little video in another place, and a woman started shouting no photo at me, even though I wasn't taking a damn photo of her. I'm making a video of myself. My dear, I don't give a shit about your blueberries. So we will see. So far I've been in Riga for a night. I'm gonna show you some scenes from Riga. Beautiful. We had great weather here yesterday too. My God, the old town here is just fantastic. This is a bigger city, it seems, than the other Baltic capitals, so there's kind of a big city energy here that I really like. And good vibes so far. Love Latvia, as you guys know. We'll see what we can do for breakfast this morning. I have a feeling there might be a few breakfasts this morning. So, because I am hungry. Yesterday I gorged myself in Kuldiga for breakfast, and then I skipped lunch in order to feel better about myself, because I think I gained like 5 pounds of breakfast yesterday. And then I had a buffet lunch, dinner at Lido, but early, because I was really hungry at like 5:30 or 6. So it's not even 8 a.m. yet, but I am hungry as usual. So let's see what we got at Riga Central Market. These flowers smell amazing. Collection of drunks arguing in the back. You get all sorts of people out before 8 a.m. in a big market area like this. Very interesting, very, very interesting. All right, let's take a look at the gastronomy pavilion. Oh, the ham smells really good. Very quiet here so far this morning. Damn, I was hoping everything would be open, but only some things are. Cheeses, lots of cheese. Olives. Sweets. Georgian pavilion here with some, now we're talking, some breakfast items. Now we're talking, okay.
I'm sorry.
Souvenirs here. Believe it or not, I don't think I'm having breakfast at this place. Some places are not open. There are a lot of places that are open. There's a number of people in here that are very touchy about being on video, which is fine. I'm not really trying to get people. I'm getting a lot of food and things like that, but some people don't even want their food videoed at all, which I understand. There's probably too many tourists here. A lot of the pastries look kind of just tired and old here. They don't look great. Just not into it. And you know, they may be cheap. If you're looking for cheap pastries, this might be a good place to come. There's also tons and tons of fruits and vegetables. The flower market here is amazing. The flowers, just walking down it, the smell is incredible. Clothing, things like that. It's a locals market, which is cool. They're selling a lot of interesting stuff here, but for breakfast, I don't know. Not into it. It's Uzbek style bread. It looks delicious. What's it called? What's the name of the bread?
No.
Naan? Just like in India, okay. All right, I found something that I want to try. This Uzbek style naan. Let's give this a try. Still hot, like fresh out of the oven. Very crispy. Seems kind of a little overbaked, to be honest. Good though. Not bad. Need something with it though. Very colorful. Interesting. A lot of interesting stuff around here. Got the cigarette dangling. You gotta love it. Blueberries look delicious. Guess I'm practically falling asleep. What a great violinist here in Riga. This is St. Gertruds Church in Riga. So, interesting story there. First of all, St. Gertrude is the patron saint of travelers, so you gotta love her, right? And this church is built in the 1860s, but prior to that, there was an earlier St. Gertrude Church here, right in the outskirts of the old town. And it says that that was a 15th century church that burned down, I guess, in 1812. But the travelers would arrive here at this location just outside the old town. There were walls, and
please check the basket to prevent losing belongings.
okay, somebody's returning a bolt here. So and they would come here outside the gates. The wall was, it said that the gates were locked after a certain hour. So travelers would come to St. Gertrude's to thank God that they arrived and thank St. Gertrude that they arrived safely here in Riga. Very pretty church inside too. Kalen CMA Market. So many nice things to sample and try here. This is a market on in the Kalen CMA wooden house district of Riga. So many. This is a really nice market. I like this better than the Riga Central Market because there's so many good products here to try. Much smaller, but more curated selection of stuff. Not like a lot of junk, but like high quality products, food. Really nice market. Here we have some plov, some Uzbek plov. Looks good. Nice. Guys, the Kalen CMA Saturday Street Market, I'm telling you, this is the market to come to in Riga. I love this market. If you happen to be here on a Saturday, I love this market because first of all, you can do an incredible amount of sampling here. You could probably just fill up walking around sampling everybody's treats. Talking about breads, baked goods.
You definitely did, right?
You probably did too. The only thing you don't get a free sample of is the ice cream, although you can taste his flavors, but it's not just out to grab.
How many kombuchas did you have though?
Many kombuchas, but I patronized him. Like
Yeah,
everybody I sampled, I bought things from. I supported all the merchants here. The plov was excellent. The shashlik was really good. What else do we like here? The breads. If you like breads and carbs, there's so many.
Oh, the hemp seed.
I'm trying to choose. The hemp seed products here are delicious. I love this market. This is a really cool one. Third market of the day here in Riga, Agenskaina Market. Let's check this baby out. Flowers, guys. My sons are saying enough markets. They don't want to go to any more markets. It's supposed to be a really nice one, though. Beautiful. You are very good. And this is a beautiful market. Check this out. Don't you wish you had a market like this where you live? Just beautiful here in Riga. Fantastic, how elegant. Look at these pastries. Cakes. God almighty. You could get so fat here in Riga if you wanted to. And all the carbs, the delicious breads here. Are you kidding me? Look at this, beautiful. Fantastic. Sweets. You've got sugars, your carbs. What the hell more do you want, right? Baklava. Beautiful. Ice creams. Cute dog. Guys, this has got to be the most beautiful market I've ever been to. And every booth is so well curated and so nice. I don't know why the hell anybody would go to the Riga Central Market. Sorry, now I've got to meet all three of them. That's a big time tourist place because it's the biggest in Europe or whatever. Biggest, I don't care about biggest, man. This place is absolutely beautiful. And every business has stuff that you'd actually want to eat. Unlike the Riga Central Market. Love it. This is St. Gertruds Church in Riga. So, interesting story there. First of all, St. Gertrude is the patron saint of travelers, so you gotta love her, right? And this church is built in the 1860s, but prior to that, there was an earlier St. Gertrude Church here, right in the outskirts of the old town. And it says that that was a 15th century church that burned down, I guess, in 1812. But the travelers would arrive here at this location just outside the old town. There were walls, and
Please check the basket to prevent losing belongings.
okay, somebody's returning a bolt here. So, and they would come here outside the gates. The wall, it said that the gates were locked after a certain hour. So travelers would come to St. Gertrude's to thank God that they arrived, and thank St. Gertrude that they arrived safely here in Riga. Very pretty church inside too. Very cool place here in Riga. Alas. Here are the crowds at Riga Airport at our gate right now. Maybe about half the people. There's enough seats, I would say, for maybe half the people in here. And there's no air conditioning. Somebody told me that the air conditioning is 26 degrees Celsius, which is about 82 degrees Fahrenheit.